So not too long ago, I was asked to be a keynote speaker and a presenter at a local STEAM conference. And so while I was there, I was sitting next to folks that were from Lockheed and McDonnell Douglas and, aerospace. And I was thinking to myself at my little booth, well, gosh, I make airplanes too. Okay, no, not that kind of airplane. A couple years ago, I did a presentation for a Bring Your Child to Work Day, and I created an airplane that we all put together as a class. And this airplane here is what we ended up doing. And everybody loved it, and it was a big success. So in thinking about that, I thought, well, let's make an airplane. I started by taking my previous design and modifying it to something more appropriate to my needs. After working out some design issues with a couple of prototypes, I was then ready to start on the real thing. Since the new design was going to be made out of paper, I incorporated folds into the aircraft design. The laser needed to etch those folds before it went on to cutting the pieces out. Because this airplane was going to be made out of paper rather than wood, I chose to have two colors instead of just one. Now I could sit and go over step by step how I assembled the thing, but I figured it would be more interesting if I drew out a diagram. All in all, it took about 15 steps to complete the build. But as you can see, it was well worth it. Because I enjoyed this project so much, I made a few extras. So if you'd like to pick one up for yourself, follow the link down in the comments section, and I'll send one out to you. Until next time.